Hi there. Hello, Mr. Filipov.
Hello.
There's a heated debate on different forums about the correct way to calculate carbs. Some prefer bread units, while others stand for grams. What is the better way to calculate carbs?
You know, precision is of importance. It doesn't matter whether a person calculates in bread units or grams. We know that one bread unit is 10 to 12 grams of carbs. What is more important is that a person should be ready to do it and have no problem doing it. There is no need to overcomplicate the task, and then they'll be able to cope with it.
But we can't oversimplify it either. We can't just say this is one bread unit, can we?
We can't say that for sure. We need to calculate carbs when a person is on insulin. It is necessary to calculate the insulin dose. Normally, a patient and their doctor work out the number of insulin units required for each bread unit, or 10 to 12 grams of carbs. It is called a carb ratio. Once the amount of carbs in food is calculated, the patient can adjust the dose. This is the essence of intensive insulin therapy. There are quite a lot of followers, supporters of carb calculation in grams. They may be right claiming that the calculation in grams is initially more precise. Imagine you have two food products to eat. One contains 23 grams of carbs, the other has 35 grams. If we calculate it in bread units and calculate the insulin dose in bread units, for the bread units, how many bread units are in 23 grams?
2?
2. And 35 grams?
3?
3.
I see, right.
A total of 5 bread units, right? So the dose will be 5 bread units, about 5 units of insulin.
I see, right.
And now let's calculate it in grams. 23 plus 35 grams of carbs makes how much? 58. We round up, right?
Right.
60.
60.
And how many bread units are in 60 grams of carbs?
I'd say 5.
6.
6.
And the dose is for 6, you see? Calculations in bread units have greater margins of error. Greater margins of error result in a greater error in the dosage. However, if a person has difficulty calculating in grams and prefers to calculate in bread units, seeing to precision, let them do it.
Thank you, Mr. Filipov. I got it. The most precise way is the most difficult one, but with better results.